Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Tzatziki sauce. This classic Greek condiment is surprisingly simple to prepare at home and elevates any meal, especially gyros. We'll cover the essential ingredients, walk through the easy mixing process, and share tips for achieving that perfect, refreshing flavor. Get ready to impress your taste buds with this homemade delight that's much better than store-bought. To start, you'll need 1 cup of plain, full-fat Greek yogurt for that creamy base. Next, grab 1 large cucumber. You'll grate about 1/2 of it. Don't forget 2 cloves of fresh garlic, finely minced, and 2 tablespoons of fresh dill, chopped. A splash of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper will complete our flavor profile. First, grate your cucumber and then squeeze out as much excess water as possible. This step is crucial for a thick tzatziki. In a medium bowl, combine the drained cucumber, Greek yogurt, minced garlic, fresh dill, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Stir everything together thoroughly until well combined. For the best flavor, cover and chill your tzatziki in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Your homemade tzatziki sauce is now ready to enjoy. It's the perfect accompaniment for gyros, souvlaki, or simply as a dip with warm pita bread and fresh vegetables. Garnish with a sprig of fresh dill for an extra touch of elegance. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For more great kitchen finds and deals, including those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.